Hello, good morning, good noon, good afternoon, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Gamma Bear. So, yeah, I'm recording this. It's already. I think it's already 12 in midnight here. But yeah, and I feel a little bit sore throat and not so good. Yeah, but yeah, still, let's go because I like doing vlogs. Let's go. Yeah, and I'm all about unleashing for how many videos already. So it's already December, so I will try to because we will have our Christmas break, so I will try to have more live building and some other. Yeah, if you like, we can have a live Beyblade competition if you want. Just comment down there. Okay, so without further ado, we have here another pack, and we need to unleash this because as I think I know this one, and it's a little bit heavy. Why? Let's unleash that we will know why it's heavy. Let's go with my rusty but still trusted Hobby knife. Let's go. Let's unleash. Okay, so we open it. Yeah, I'm excited because this will be the first CX line that I will have that has a metal lock chip. Yeah, lock chip or no, yeah, it's called lock chip, not gear chip. I'm very using that gear chip term, but yeah, it's lock chip. Okay, so yeah, I think you already know it because it's on my title. Yeah, and we have here your. Is it a booster pack? It's a deck set. A deck set of CX11 Emperor Might deck set. See, that's your Emperor Might in a black blade with a gold details, and you can see there. That lock chip has a metal in the middle, which adds more weight and more center of gravity right there. And more metal at the side, so it will make a good balance and distribute all the weights at the side of its blade. So I think this will be a good. Oh, even it's ratchet, man. It has a metal right there. Wow. As I remember, the Tricera Press has a metal ratchet. Yeah. So if you add the metal ratchet of the Tricera Press here, maybe it will add more weight. Yeah, and it's. Oh, the what's this? The beat and its ratchet was already combined, and I think it's called driver already. So the driver, am I right? Is it called driver? So the driver of this one is like with your the Pegasus Blast rather. Yeah, the Pegasus Blast. So it has that same driver at the bottom, which is it's a combination of the ratchet and the beat. Okay, so let's go and move on and go to here. This green golem rock, he looks like Hulk already. Yeah, I like it. Oh wow, really, it's really like Hulk because as you can see, I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, here it is. It has a green blade, it has a violet ratchet and a white bit, and its bit is needle. Oh, it's a high needle, so it's higher, man. So it's really like Hulk. Yeah. Oh, and its ratchet is metal, man. It's metal. It's M. It's M85. Let's go. It's nice. So excited, but I can't use. Ooh. Holy moly, man. I think I can use it. Also, revision. I don't know if this is from Banky. Yeah, it has a sticker of Banky. So maybe I can use this on some tournaments. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, right there. Wow. Next is your Shark Gill. Shark Gill? Shark Scale? Shark Gill. Is this the new Shark? I still don't have it. The first version of it. But yeah, the Shark Gill is 560 FB. So it's a free ball with 560. Whoa, nice, man. And you can see the blade of that Shark Gill. It's very aggressive. It has 2 contact points right there, and here. And I think if it will battle so many battles, or yeah, it will get flattened on that part right here and right there, and it will be more sharper. Maybe it can even destroy some Beyblades here. Yeah, but it's so nice. I'm excited with this deck set, man. I really want to try it. But yeah, it's painted in green and black, so our Emperor Might maybe will chip those black parts, those black paints, and then our Golem Rock in Hulk version, yeah, our Golem Rock in Hulk mode, yeah, it's really Hulk because it also have that M85. It's very, yeah, it will really add those weight. Yeah, I also like Golem Rock when I'm using it here. So it's, yeah, it can really make difference. Okay, so but yeah, the chipping of the paints, we cannot avoid that because it's already only painted, not the usual, not the metal itself. So yeah, it's only painted. So the safe here in the chipping of paints is only your Shark Gill, because your Shark Gill doesn't have any colors on its blade. Yeah, but still, it's very nice, man. I'm very excited to have this, to have an unboxing, a speed build. It's not a gunpla, man. Unboxing, spin test, a test battles, yeah, with other Beyblades. But I like this one first together with these three. They will fight. Man, we'll have Emperor Might versus the Hulk. I'm really calling this as Hulk. Hulk versus the Shark. And then the Shark Gill versus the Emperor Might. Then Emperor Might, the Shark versus the Hulk. Yeah, whatever. Okay, so that's it. Whew, excited. You can see my excitement here. Okay, so yeah, so this is our Beyblade X CX11 Emperor Might deck set with your Golem Rock in Hulk mode and your Shark Gill in a free bolt. Yeah, very nice. So stay tuned and we'll have this on our next vlogs. Okay, so for now, guys, thank you so much for watching, and if you like this kind of videos and contents, please do consider to like, share, comment, subscribe, and please hit that notification bell to inform for our next videos. Okay, so for now, thank you so much. So good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Thank you, bye, signing off, and Dumbledore Show signing off. That's it, and peace out. Bye.